this video we will show you how to prepare your street bike or your dirt bike on ice. We have modified street bikes on ice like almost 5 years or something like that. And first guys built these big iron pulp tires. But the problem with those tires is that they are super heavy and they are not actually even good. The biggest thing you need is spike tires. If you want to buy the tires what we use, the link is in the text box. When you get the tires, there is a couple small things what you need to do on your street bike, and we're gonna show you now. Here we got the Ice Track street bike tire. Super sharp and super thin spikes. How much these tires cost?
About 500 euros.
Front and back?
Yeah.
Okay. They are made ice and ice only, so if you use these tires on a dirt road or something like that, you will ruin your tires like in seconds. These tires cost 500 euros, but if you made iron bolt tires, you have to actually buy the bolts and use like tens of working hours make those bolts sharp.
And you don't need inner tube, which is
it's
a lot of better.
Yeah. This is what you need. This is actually a custom made part. Juha's dad has made this, and with this you can actually increase the front suspension length. And when you're doing wheelies on ice and you slam your front wheel, if you don't have these spikes will just, you know, ruin your radiator. So that's why you need to increase the front suspension length. Okay, now we have longer front suspension. Okay, now the street bike is ready for the ice, and you can see that there is more space between the radiator and the front tire. Now we're gonna prep my bike ready for the ice track. And what I got here is the smallest rear sprocket what I could actually find in the store. And same place where you get street bike ice tires, you can get dirt bike ice tires. And the spikes are exactly the same, I think. And these tires are used. I got these for free from my friend. And what we need to change also is the jets and the needle. And the main idea is that bigger number, the more you get gasoline. This is the main jet, and it comes here. So here we have the stock jet. 158, and we're gonna change it 117. So there we have now bigger jet installed right now. Yeah, this is a little bit bigger front sprocket also. I think my bike is ready now. Spike tires check, and then I cover the other radiator so it stays warm. What up? Let's go ride. Yes. My bike is ready to go. Here we are in our private ice lake, secret ice lake. Boys are riding the street bikes already here.
Nice! That was epic wheelie, boy. You ruined your KTM. What the fuck, dude?